In the nomination papers was.
Just clarification of a factual aspect.
Lord.
The record that has been placed before us by the ECP was contradicted by Mr. Gaur Ali Khan when he appeared one day.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you confirm?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, since my lord has raised that.
The ECP has not
not placed the entire record.
The correct record before
no responsibility is upon you to submit the record. Where is that record?
Let me show, my lord. Let me show.
But you say that the election commission
no,
has.
Kindly see, I am submitting that we be treated as independents who have joined SIC. But मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं. May it please the court. Note, I've just placed before the court a very brief note. It has 7 points in it. And these are the 7 points that I just seek to go through very quickly and hopefully within 10 minutes. But I would point out that I had earlier filed a written submission note. I would urge that that note may kindly be examined. That provides the detailed reasons with judgments, case law, and I'd filed a paper book of judgments as well. So kindly in my earlier note, I would in particular draw attention to paragraphs 6, 7, 9 and 11 of that note. It's not a very long note, but if nothing else, paragraphs 6, 7, 9 and 11 of that note may kindly be examined. Also, as far as the factual issues are concerned, the PTI Nazariati issue and so on, I've tried to explain those in CMA 5913 of 2024, the circumstances in which that happened. And if I may, I'll very briefly allude to what is stated in this CMA 5913 of 2024, which is on behalf of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. It's just to place some facts before the court.
Can you repeat the number, please?
5913 of 2024. This is on behalf of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. So note, if I could just very quickly go through my 7 points. Hopefully within 10 minutes. And I take the position with a great deal of respect and recognition of what Justice Atar Manilla has said, that there is a larger context. But putting that larger context to a side and starting with the presumption that PTI-backed candidates were declared independents in terms of the proviso to Rule 94, that proviso remains on the statute book and therefore we were treated as independents once elected.
Is there any order regarding all the candidates that all of you are independent?
But in my case, the second...
By the election commission?
One of the 2nd February orders...
It's only in respect of your
But they made a general declaration that anybody who has come in a situation similar to mine, I had filed nomination papers declaring myself to be a PTI candidate, and the election commission said that since the party has been denied...
I think there is no order in respect of all the candidates, that all of them are independent.
No, but that order lays down the law, the understanding of the law, and what happened in reality. I'll just come to that when I come to the factual aspects given in CMA 5913. So the order passed in my case, and even prior to that, on the day 13th of January, we were told that there are 2 sets of symbols available, those for independents and those for political parties. We could only choose from the set put aside for independents. So it was very clear with the ROs on the 13th of January, and the 2nd February ECP order only confirms that situation, that we were to be treated as independents because of the explanation to Rule 94. Read with the judgment which said that PTI is not entitled to a symbol. So that created us as independents, regardless of what our affiliation in the nomination papers was.
Just clarification of a factual aspect.
Lord.
The record that has been placed before us by the ECP was contradicted by Mr. Gaur Ali Khan when he appeared one day.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you confirm?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, since my lord has raised that.
The ECP has not
placed the entire
record. The correct record before
no responsibility is upon you to submit the record. Where is that record?
Let me show, my lord. Let me show.
But you say that the election commission has.
Kindly see, I am submitting that we be treated as independents who have joined SIC. But मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं how they have suppressed the record. Kindly see in CMA 5840 Part 2 from pages 168 onwards, they have chosen to file my nomination papers. They've somehow, from all the candidates available, they thought they would attack me because I'm appearing as counsel. So they filed my nomination papers from page 168 onwards. And I take your lordships, the court.
I'm a bit confused. Who are you representing right now?
PTI.
Kawal Shawzab as well as PTI.
When you talk about the petitioner, the candidate, please be specific. Then you say I'm arguing on behalf of PTI.
Hold on. But Kawal Shawzab is the chairman, president of the women's wing
Her
of the
case is
PTI.
different. Her case is different.
आपकी एप्लीकेशन है ना ये जो आपने दी
जी मैंने PTI की application भी दे दी है. There is no conflict between
Which page you want to refer?
Now kindly see, they've placed my nomination papers, me
Page,
as in
page.
Salman Akram Raja, at page 168 onwards. Now this shows my affiliation, declaration, page 166 onwards.
Salman Raja, just a question. Now I'm in the context of this application that you've given. Just want to know that PTI had fielded how many candidates to which you would issue certificates for the National Assembly?
Hold on. I'll get the exact number, but my...
कोई figure तो बताएं.
But it's over 170. We were contesting every single...
Everybody was
constituency.
given certificates.
Yes, and that is what I want to now demonstrate. Kindly see. Pages 166 onwards till 185. 263, Gaur Khan Sahib tells me, 263 tickets were
Across
issued
Pakistan.
all across Pakistan. Now kindly see at page...
What's the, I mean, where do we see this
For
thing?
National Assembly.
Where do we see this thing? Did you put it up somewhere?
Yes, we put out our lists of
Where is
candidates.
that?
On our website. On our websites.
Do we have is there anything on the record here?
And our website can only be gone through if somebody
Mr.
has
Salman
it.
Akram Raja,
जी मैं एक...
we have the right.
जी
आपकी अपना भी डिक्लेरेशन नजरियाती का है
मैं आपको ही दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. Kindly see, bear with me for a moment.
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
जी जी मैं अभी दिखा रहा
पेपर्स के
हूँ. मैं
मुताबिक
आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं आया हूँ.
नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है.
जी काइंडली सी, वी स्टार्ट एट पेज 166. 166 से जरा शुरू कीजिए. I filed my nomination paper, and then at page 168 I declare my affiliation to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And then kindly see, I also with this filed my PTI ticket, which I have now placed for your lordship's perusal, with CMA 5917. Which they have suppressed.
I'm confused. We were at page 184. What is?
Oh, 166. We were at page 166, and then 168.
Then you went took
Then
us to one.
we go to 184.
Then you went to 180. What is at 183? There's a statutory
Ji,
declaration.
kindly. So, at 183 there is a declaration. At 184 there is the.
Why are we seeing these papers? You're
to
not
show-
telling us that.
Yes, to show that they have suppressed the record. Supposedly, they claim they filed my entire nomination papers and the supporting documents, but they have not done so. I will just demonstrate that in a moment.
दिखा देना वो
जी.
क्या चीज है.